Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. We were in the chapter 5 exponents. In that exercise A, 5A, exponents chapter, it is chapter number 5. In the page number 73 we will discuss now. It is a very simple concept only, we have to understand now. Just listen about it. Page 73, first question. Here is the number given. First question, first bit, 6 square. Little concept also I want to give you based on the this chapter and this exercise. Here 6 is written down, that 2 is written little cross, not exactly above 6, not side of the 6, but it is written somewhat crassly. So this is 2. We can also call it as 6 is raised to a number 2. Otherwise 6 to the power 2. 6 to the power 2. That power is nothing but exponent. 6 to the power 2 is nothing but 6 exponent is 2. That also called as the index. That exponent or power, that also can be called as index. Then indices will be the plural form for index. Here 6 is called base, B-A-S-E. 6 is called base, and this 2 is called the power, otherwise index, I-N-D-E-X, index. This read as 6 to the power 2. 6 is raised to the power 2. Is it clear? The value of this 6 to the power 2 they are asking us to find. It's a very easy information for us to learn. Now you came to know here 6 is base and 2 is the index, otherwise the power or exponent. We got some idea about it. If you know about these three, you will get the value of the given question. Okay, now 6 to the power 2. 6 to the power 2 means always this index or power tells us how many times we have to multiply the base. Here 6 is the base. The base should multiply itself only. The base should multiply itself. Then how many times it has to multiply, that information will be given through its power or through its index. This 2 is called index or power, that tells us how many times we have to multiply the base by itself only. So here power is 2, that's why this 6 should multiply 2 times that to itself only. So 6 into 6. 2 times we are multiplying, because its power is 2 or its index is 2. Suppose the power is 3 given, then 6 should multiply itself for 3 times. That is 6 into 6 into 6. 3 times I must write by that time. But since the power is 2, I should write the multiplication, the base multiplication is only for 2 times, 6 into 6. You know 6 into 6 gives you 36, because 6 6 are 36. That will be the answer for the given question. I hope that is very clear for you. The same way, third bit, second bit is there. First question only, second bit, 7 to the power 3 can also be called as 7 cube, C-U-B-E, 7 cube. Here 6 square, otherwise 6 to the power 2. Here 7 cube, if not 7 to the power 3. 7 to the power 3. 7 is raised to a power 3. Now this 7 is base and 3 is called power or index or exponent. Am I correct? So its value we are going to find out, because in the heading find the value of the given questions. Now second question is 7 to the power 3 can also be read as 7 cube. 7 to the power 3 is equal to 7 into 7 into 7. 3 times I have multiplied itself. 7 only multiplied itself for 3 times, because its power always tells us how many times we should multiply the base. That's why 3 times multiplied. 7 into 7 is 49. You know that fact. 7 7s are 49. 49 should multiply with 7 in the rough. Then we will get an answer called 343. Again I am saying 7 into 7 answer 49. That 49 should multiply with 7 again. 49 into 7 gives you 343. That becomes the answer for the given question. This is the procedure through which we can finish it. I hope these things are very clear for you. See, once in the question 1 only, 5th bit I want to teach. 8 to the power 3. Same like that only. 8 cube or 8 to the power 3. Always this power tells us how many times we have to multiply the base. So that 8 into 8 into 8. 8 jar is 64. 64 should multiply with 8. Then we get an answer called 512. For that we should do in the multiplication. No? That should be taken place in the rough. 8 8 jar 64. 64 should be multiplied with 8. Then we will get an answer called 512. That remains as answer for the question 8 cube. Is it clear, students? Shall we go for the question 2? Sums here and there I have left because those are same like this only. You can plan up to do in the revision notes or any other practice notebook. I hope you can do that part also. Okay? Then we will go for the second question in the same page 73. They said evaluate. Evaluate is nothing but calculate the value or find the value given. Now the question given in the first bit is 2 power 3 into 4 to the power 2. Same like previous, but two things given at a time. 2 power 3 into 4 to the power 2. For the first one is I am arranging in a separate bracket. Second value also I am arranging in the another bracket. Between the two brackets, into symbol is arranged because they said into. Okay, now 2 power 3 is nothing but 2 should multiply itself for 3 times. That means 2 into 2 into 2. I should write 3 times. That same 2 I should multiply itself for 3 times. We have already learned that part. Into symbol as it is. With another bracket, that other part 4 power 2. That is 4 is raised to the power 2. Called as 4 into 4. Because power is 2 or index is 2. So 4 should multiply itself for 2 times. 4 into 4. Now we will come to the answer. 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Am I correct? Okay. That into symbol is written here. 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. Now 8 into 16 we got. The otherwise reverse also 16th table. 16 8 jar 128. 16 8 jar is 128. That becomes the answer for the first bit. Is it clear? Shall we go for 8th bit of the second question? Second question only 8th bit. Other way of asking is given here. That's why I want to teach this. 4 into 3 whole to the power 3. Here the way of reading is different. Here reading is 2 power 3 into 4 power 2. Otherwise 2 is raised to the power 3. 4 is raised to the power 2. But here 4 into 3 whole to the power 3. Whole. W-H-O-L-E. Whole. Is it clear for you? 4 into 3 whole to the power 3. That means 4 should be raised to the power 3. Again 3 should be raised to the power 3. Separately we can say like that. Otherwise another way of thinking also can be done. 4 into 3 whole to the power 3. That is the way of reading. I hope it is very clear for you. Now the same question is written here. Then I am going to write its multiplication. 4 into 3 given inside the bracket. 4 into 3 gives you 12 and whole to the power of 3 written. Now thing is 12 to the power 3. That means 12 as a base, 3 as its index or power or exponent. Am I correct? So 12 power 3 is nothing but 12 into 12 into 12. 3 times I have multiplied because here power is asking me to multiply 3 times the base given, that is 12. Am I correct? Yes. 12 into 12 is 144. If you multiply 12 and again 12, 12 into 12 gives you 144. If that 144 is multiplied with 12 in the rough, then we will get an answer, that is 1728. That becomes the answer for the given question. This is a little different from that. That's why I want to teach and I have taught it. Then other sums which are left here and there in the question 2 can be done because same model sums only. So you can do in the practice notebook. I hope all these things what we have taught so far is clear for you. Shall we go for question 3? In the question 3 they said heading evaluate. Here also same like this only, but symbols are given. Negative symbol given, that is a minus symbol. We know how to multiply with minus symbols also. Let us see one question based on the negative symbol. See once. Question 3, in that second bit I want to teach, because first bit is with positive symbol, plus symbol. That will be very easy for you. So let me teach with minus symbol. If it is clear, then you are able to do that part also. Okay now? Then listen here. Then question 3, second bit, minus 5 by 6 whole to the power 5. Minus 5 by 6 whole to the power 5. The same given question I have written. We all know that the base should be multiplied itself based on the power raised to it. Here power raised is 5. That means 5 times we should multiply the base itself. Am I correct? Minus 5 by 6 into 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 minus 5 by 6. Totally 5 times I multiplied the base, because the power always tells us how many times we have to multiply the base. Am I correct, students? Okay. Then we will come to it. 5 into 5, 25. 5 is there. It is not for addition. 5 into 5 should multiply. 5 into 5 gives you 25. This 25 should multiply with here 5. 25 5s are 125. 125 5s, that is 625. Then 625 also should multiply with 5. Then we will get an answer, that is 3125. 3125. By denominator also in the same way we have to multiply. 6 into 6, 36. 6 6s are 36. 36 into 6, that is 216. Like that if you multiply, you will get an answer finally 7776. In the rough only we should multiply as I said just now. Is it clear? So 7776. That is for the denominator. Then minus into minus. Minus into minus is plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. So minus symbol at last we have arranged. Final answer what we got is minus 3125 by 7776. Therefore, the value of the given question with the power 5 is equal to, with the minus symbol, 3125 by 7776. Is it clear, students? Did you understand how did we get this numerator and denominator? We have to multiply. Is it clear? 5 into 5, 25. 25 should multiply with 5 in the rough. We will get an answer, that is 125. Again that 125 should multiply with 5. Then another answer you will get in the rough, that is 625. That 625 should multiply with 5. Then we will get the final answer, 3125. Same method of doing can be done by using 6. Is it clear for you? That is the method we have to use to complete it. I hope all the things are very clear for you. With other part of teaching, we'll meet in the next class. Okay, students, take care of yourself and listen well. If at all not understand for a one time watching, then go for the second time watching for the video. And also I am sending the photo of this board. You have to write the classwork without missing any sum from it. Okay, students, thank you.